Now let's talk about the erasure poem. For this exercise, students can either print out a traditional poem or print out their annotated bibliography or index poems. And using a Sharpie or other method to black out words, students will transform the text through the elimination of words to communicate a cohesive message. We're going to show you an example using a bibliography of how you can change it into a different type of poem using erasure. So as mentioned, we're going to use erasure to transform this text into a poem. Here we have several sources cited from a paper that talked about misogynoir and Black consciousness movements. And we want to use the text that we have to learn what other messages we can communicate. So we will present the original text that you have here, listing the different sources. And then next, I'm going to read the poem that was created through erasure. Keep in mind, as you're making these poems, you can erase as much as you want to create something new. The main thing is trying to have a cohesive message. So you can take out whole words, whole lines, or even take out the middle of a word to communicate something else. We'll give you an example here. Is the Black man civilized? Is he a disciplinary stud? Is gender a history of misogyny? The world's collective struggle? Silence reflection? Unspoken Black modern blues? An interpretive use of combat? So as you see with this example, we had this large block of text with different sources. And you can see here everything that we took out to make a poem. So the students will have an opportunity as well to take either their annotated bibliography or index poems, or even another annotated bibliography, and use erasure to create a different poem for themselves.